It cannot be quicker than this. Find out how you can make a pasta recipe in 10 minutes. You're watching the cooking series. Let's join Ravilo and his small kitchen. Good afternoon, your Korean uncle here in Holland, and welcome back to our small kitchen. We will be making a quick lunch, and it will be pasta pesto, pasta with green pesto sauce. And if you notice, I was very quick even with my intro, and I even dropped some pasta. A small preparation. I'll be quick, and the ingredients are pasta. Whatever pasta you have, it will be spaghetti. What is this even? It's fusilli, fettuccine, or what have you. And an instant pesto. You can buy it in any grocery store. And to give it the real Italian touch, don't forget to, as much as possible, buy or source out parmesan cheese or formaggio parmesano. While waiting for the water to boil, you might be wondering what it is. You know that our Maja Blanca recipe was appreciated by many people, and I am making it again for a small gathering today. Let's see how to react. And here, no noodle. I'll be cooking this later, but this is another story. These are my harvests of grapes from the garden. By the way, I invite you to watch our gardening series as well. Small harvest of grapes. They're not. It's just very dry. So, and I failed to cull or to remove the abundant fruits. Ideally, every branch should only have 2 bunches, but I let them grow. That's the result, very small. That's not our show today, it's about pasta al pesto. Good. Some oil. Some salt. Let's add the pasta and cook it according to the package instruction. While waiting for our pasta to boil, I'd like to remind you, dear viewers, that this channel is dedicated to showcasing the culinary traditions of the homeland, and at the same time expose our palate to easily adaptable recipes of the world. So I encourage you to help in promoting our cuisine by following, subscribing, and sharing to your friends who haven't heard yet of the cuisines in the Philippines. And thank you for watching and subscribing. Our pasta has been boiling for 7 minutes now, and we can strain it and make our pasta al pesto. Close up. We don't have to wash it. It's good to keep it in it, so it's good to keep it hot or warm. Let's make our pasta now. This is a ready-made pesto alla Genovese. There are also red pestos, so this is the favorite. I'll get all the contents. Respect for the farmer. respect for the world or for the earth for producing. It's a sign of stewardship, being good stewards by not wasting. This just makes sour pasta. Let's add some freshly ground pepper. I think that was too generous. And some salt. I don't think kids in the Philippines would eat this. They have been accustomed to having sweet spaghetti with ground meat, with hot dogs, and it's sweet, and even meatballs. But this is just pesto, pounded herbs. I was planning to do this from scratch at the garden, but I don't have a sufficient amount of basil leaves. It's cheap. It's not worth growing it because I can buy this for only more than a euro. And let's put now a generous amount of parmesan cheese. And mix it again. And I'll be serving this with a slice of bread, buttered toast. I think that while mixing that, I might as well start toasting bread. This was not part of the plan, but this is not generous. Yeah. That's how busy my kitchen can be because I'm busy cooking other recipes. A preview later, this would be rabo de toro, estofado de rabo de toro, and I'll be returning this to the refrigerator. That's adobo, but I won't do that today. It's too busy. This is our pasta al pesto. Quick and simple lunch. Life can be simple but delicious. And let's add bread to this. Look, I'm even slicing on the kitchen towel. Okay, to add some presentation. Yeah, and that will be it. Our spaghetti al pesto. Thank you for joining your kuya here in Holland this Sunday lunch. Life can be easy. Life can be simple but delicious. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to watch our more serious and longer cooking editions here at the kitchen or at the garden. And by the way, during the summer vacation period, we'll be cooking elsewhere. We'll be discovering other flavors and attractions, beauty of the world. Until next time. And don't forget to subscribe. Dios te guarde.